How's it, guys? Welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still appointed at DJ. So today, I just want to highlight reach 400 videos uploaded to YouTube. So I think a celebration in cool. Celebrate to Speaker Now because we are all about celebrating our small wins because YouTube channel it is very challenging. In ama challenges amani ngayenzeka behind the scenes and abantu abaningi ba give up along the way to post the content, especially be consistent even nje kuphela unyaka because YouTube inentening. So Speaker Now saqala ukureach nje 100 videos kwakuyinto enkulu, so ukureach 400 I think into esingakaze siyimagine leyo. So we are pushing for 500 maybe before end of this year. So siyabonga kakhulu abantu abasupport channel, abantu abacommenta, even abantu abashaya ama comment negative siyawafuna now because khulisa engagement YouTube ukhula kanjalo. So nje besibonga nje kuleyo ndawo kubantu ababukele, abantu abasubscribe ku Speaker Now, abantu abasalandile ama pages e Speaker Now ku TikTok, ku Twitter, ku Facebook na ku Twitch nje. So yeah, away.